Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to turn your selfies into fun cartoon portraits with just a few Canva clicks? Click the Create button, then select Custom Size from the options. Here, you can choose any dimensions you need. For this example, enter 200 by 200 pixels to set your canvas size. Select a cartoon or cartoon image from the options shown. Once you've chosen your preferred image, click on it to highlight your selection. Next, locate and click the Edit button to begin customizing the image. This will open the editing tools available, allowing you to make adjustments as needed. Take your time to explore the features and modify the cartoon image according to your specific requirements and preferences. To select an image for your scrapbook, click on the image you want to use. If the image is already suitable and meets your needs, you can proceed without making any changes. Make sure the image is clearly visible and fits well within your scrapbook layout. To make a slight change, start by duplicating the image. Select the image you want to copy, then press Ctrl+D to create a duplicate. This allows you to compare the original image with the new copy side by side as you make adjustments, helping you see the differences clearly. Click the Edit button to begin making changes to your signed document. Once you are in edit mode, navigate to the options or sections you want to review. Select the comparison feature to analyze differences between the current version and previous versions of your document. This allows you to easily identify any changes, additions, or deletions made during the editing process. Comparing versions ensures that all important updates have been accurately incorporated and that nothing has been missed. Carefully review any highlighted modifications. If you notice discrepancies, you can make further edits to address them. Once you are satisfied with the comparison, proceed to save your changes, regularly using the compare function. Now, the image looks more like a drawing. To explore different styles, you can add another duplicate of your image. Select your image, then create a duplicate. From there, choose a new style to apply. This lets you compare various drawing effects easily. Click Edit, then select Image from the menu. Now, choose the watercolor option to apply a watercolor effect to your image. You can experiment with other styles if you'd like, but for now, let's go with watercolor and see the results. Select the image you want to edit and choose the cartoon filter, since creating a cartoon effect is our goal. Observe the changes on the screen. The current image now has the cartoon style applied. You can compare the transformation by looking at the different versions. The first is the original image, untouched. The second uses the scrapbook filter, which adds a paper cutout look. The third is the cartoon filter, which gives your image a bold, animated appearance. Finally, there's the normal version. Notice how the cartoon filter stands out and enhances the image compared to the scrapbook and original options, delivering a more visually appealing result. Delete this page and the original page you don't need by selecting them and choosing Delete. Once you've removed the unnecessary pages, click the Share button, then select Download to save your updated document to your computer. Increase the image quality by adjusting the size slider, then click the Download button to save your updated, higher quality image to your device. Now you can turn any portrait into a cartoon in Canva. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.